Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Celia, and this is where I share uplifting, creative ideas that you can try while laying in bed. Please be sure to read the description for my thought process and general information about this gift. Today, I decided to share a fun and creative activity. This activity helps you tap into your creativity while creating one of the most thoughtful and motivating gifts. Damn, that was a lot of creativity. You know, the best part about this gift is you don't have to spend any money. You can use what you have. The point of this is not about materialism or physical things, but about the inner things, the non-physical. Anyone can buy a gift, but not everyone takes the time and effort to help someone actually feel better. Unfortunately, most of us are used to criticism and negative self-talk. And it is the opposite of what we should be doing. Now, affirmations are what we should be doing. Instead of repeating the negative, we repeat the positive. This is about creating a new habit. In case you didn't know this already, negativity is a habit. Since it has been repeated so much, we don't even realize it. We criticize ourselves and others without hesitation. We complain and feel frustrated when things don't go our way. At the end of the day, we are only doing it to ourselves, destroying our own peace by having expectations instead of going with the flow, being present and enjoying the precious moments in life. Beauty is all around us, but if we focus on the negative, we decline the positive. No matter your status in life, we all have hard times, either external, internal, or both. Be the change that you wish to see in the world, because the world won't change unless we do. If you don't want to give this gift to someone else, make it for yourself. You deserve this kindness too. You cannot expect others to treat you well if you cannot even treat yourself well. It all starts with you. Thank you for watching my content. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed this little project. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my content.